That's where we want to be. We want to go to the guy with the big cane in his hand.
Let's do it.
That one's called Big Brother. Whoa! Whoa! Man! Hey, are we allowed here with the bike? Hello, now that right there is what you call a massive statue. Cha'am, Pechaburi, something like that, I guess. And that there is Hua Hin city. Look how high she was standing as well. Yeah. Alright, and this is how you have to turn as well, not that way. Not that way. Yes. This is how we roll at the golf course. We are dumbasses at the golf course. So now we are back down at the bottom, back down from the viewpoint. We're at the beach, which kind of looks like there's a crocodile going to jump out anytime because it's green. This is how Asian people, Thai people, don't like the sun. They have literally put a roof over the entire beach area. Look at that. This is exactly what it feels like under, and it just goes on for kilometers. Ah, here's a hot chick on the beach. Sorry, where are you from? What? What? Okay. Here we go. Got some players on the beach here. Yeah, player. There's some players on the beach here.